One Ferris wheel. Guys, you want to join me, subscribe me? Okay. Yeah. Look guys, what I am build this, what am I build? A house or a table? Oh, you're right guys, a table. You don't know? Okay, I'm gonna tell it to you if you don't know. First, click the subscribers. I'm gonna tell you what to use and where your like subscribers, don't other. Okay? You like that or not one? Ta-da! The house is ready. It's so beautiful, guys. Do you want to try this house? Leave in the comments and do you want to make this house? Ooh. And what am I next to do? A rolling ball. Yes, I can build that one, guys. You want that? Ooh. If you want to build me a gift, click in the comments my mom, okay? Guys? Because this is my mom is cleaning hard, okay? You don't not go like my mom. Just subscribe me. Okay? You want everything you gonna need? I am subscribing my toys. You don't know you guys. I am playing my toys with a subscribers. You don't know guys? Okay. You want to be my subscribers or you want to my mom's subscribers? You hate my mom? I'm gonna love my mom to subscribers. Subscribers, my neighbor and my birthday. Okay, guys? It's not done, guys. You don't close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes because it's done now. It's done. Promise. It's done, guys. What are you saying? You don't understand me. Okay. It's done. I said it's done. I said it's done. Open your eyes now. See, I'm not done to subscribers. I'm gonna talk to my mom. Okay? I'm gonna back, guys. Okay? Hey guys, I am here. I want to ask my mom. Oh, it's time for my 1 subscribers. If you leave a button me my watching, okay? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Thanks. I'm gonna go to my mom and make some 2 subscribers. Okay, guys?